I'm feeling insecure, that's why I'm behaving like this. So how can I remove my insecurity? Why is this insecurity in me? Mostly we realize that this insecurity comes somewhere in our childhood. Somehow the behavior of the people around us, whether it's our parents, our relatives, our friends or our teachers, someone has put something in your mind. Because when we are 0 to 8 years old, we are like sponges. We absorb whatever is said to us. It's like programming the motherboard of your computer. The coding that they have put at that time is faulty. They put the wrong code. They put the code that you are not good enough. Someone must have told you, you are useless. You can never do anything right. The teacher says, you are dumb. You can't remember this lesson I taught you. Those things get fit in our minds. Our delicate minds, they absorb all that and we fit it. And we grow up thinking that I am dumb, I am a coward. Everyone has some or the other fear. Everyone has some or the other challenges. Someone cries too fast, so someone is telling you are oversensitive. So we live with those thoughts. We live with those beliefs. We live with those shortcomings that people pointed out in us. And even though we are not that, we start believing that we are that. Start believing, okay, I'm oversensitive. I get too much angry. Yeah, people have said, I'm useless. Nothing I can do is right. And then it gives rise to our shadow sides. We need to just start looking at ourselves, start accepting ourselves, start forgiving ourselves. Once you know yourself, once you understand yourself, once you stop getting affected by how people are treating you or what people are saying, people will always try to put you down. People will always try to put fear into you. Nobody likes to see anyone grow. Unless they are really spiritual and they have opened their hearts, very few people are happy for you. Very few people are really looking to see you rise. So let those people's opinions be aside. You should know, because you don't know your value, you didn't know your worth. That's why you allowed their opinions to break you down. So once you know your worth, you know your goodness and what you are, you know what good and bad you have, and you start loving yourself, you start respecting yourself. Never undermine your power. Never undermine your value. Never undermine your capacities and your capabilities. And not everyone can be everything. The problem is today everyone wants to be what someone else is. Don't get into that herd mentality. Because someone else is doing that or because many people are doing it, I should also do it. No. Find your own self. What am I? What I want? What I like? Do that. Don't try to copy someone else. Don't try to imitate someone else. Don't try to be what someone else is. Be your unique self. You are valuable. God made you how you are because people like you are needed in this world. Otherwise he would have made you different, right? We come with our own unique characteristics. We come with our own unique combinations of good, bad and ugly. We are own unique character. Enjoy that, respect that, love that. Then you will be able to give your best to the world. You will be able to bring out the best in you. You will be able to show the world what you are made of and what is the best inside you. So first find out what you are.